Hello everyone, I am Shashi Shekhar from NSS Target JE and we are back with the next series video on scalars and vectors. आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर्स दैट इज स्केलर प्रोडक्ट. फर्स्ट विल स्टार्ट विद द स्केलर प्रोडक्ट एंड देन विल स्टडी द वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट. तो जैसा कि हम देख सकते हैं स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द डॉट प्रोडक्ट. तो चलिए इसके बारे में समझते हैं. The scalar product of two vectors is defined to be the product of their magnitudes and the cosine of the smaller angle in between them. जैसा कि हम देख सकते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास दो वेक्टर इस तरीके से हैं a वेक्टर और b वेक्टर और इनके बीच का जो स्मॉलर एंगल है थीटा will not consider the bigger angle in between them, will consider the smaller angle which is theta. So dot product is defined as magnitude of a into magnitude of b times cos theta, that is the cosine of the smaller angle in between them. So this is known as the dot product or the scalar product. Scalar product of two vectors is defined as the product of the magnitude of one vector and the component of other vector, that is the projection of other vector in the direction of the first vector. इस डेफिनेशन को अगर हम और क्लोजली देखें, इस फॉर्मूले को अगर और क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व करें तो हमें ये पता चलेगा कि a डॉट b इज नथिंग बट मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a. दिस इज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a, that is one of the vectors, into b cos theta which is magnitude of the projection of b on a. ये हमारा वेक्टर b था, ये इसके बीच का एंगल थीटा. तो अगर हम b cos थीटा लेंगे दैट मीन्स वी आर प्रोजेक्टिंग दिस b वेक्टर ऑन आर a वेक्टर. व्हाट इज प्रोजेक्शन? प्रोजेक्शन हमने पहले वीडियो में भी पढ़ चुका है, दैट इज कि अगर हम इस b वेक्टर के ऊपर लाइट थ्रो करें सो व्हाट एवर शैडो दिस b वेक्टर विल गिव ऑन a वेक्टर दैट विल बी दिस मच पार्ट. और ये किसके बराबर आएगा? b cos थीटा के. तो a डॉट b में जो b cos थीटा वाला कंपोनेंट है दैट इज द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ b वेक्टर ऑन a वेक्टर. यानी कि अब हम a वेक्टर और उसी डायरेक्शन में b cos थीटा वेक्टर के मैग्नीट्यूड को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. This is one of the reason why scalar product or dot product does not give us any direction. It is just a scalar quantity क्योंकि direction का component is getting reduced by cos theta. Now we'll study about the properties of dot product or the scalar product. So the first property is commutative law. Scalar product follows commutative law, that is a dot b is equal to b dot a. अगर हम किसी दो वेक्टर्स का a डॉट b करके स्केलर प्रोडक्ट निकालें या b डॉट a करके स्केलर प्रोडक्ट निकालें, सिंस इट इज अ स्केलर प्रोडक्ट द डायरेक्शन इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड, so the magnitude of a dot b will be same as the magnitude of b dot a, so it follows the commutative law. नेक्स्ट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ, यानी कि b प्लस c दो वेक्टर्स का एडिशन, उनका उसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट इफ वी टेक विथ a that is equal to if we take the individual dot products and then find the sum. So a dot b plus c vector is equal to a dot b plus a dot c. So it follows the distributive law. Third is associative. That means m times a vector dot n times b vector can also be written as mn into a dot b. दैट इज जो स्केलर क्वांटिटी मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है वेक्टर्स के साथ, उन दोनों स्केलर क्वांटिटीज को फर्स्ट विल फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट एंड देन we'll find the dot product and finally find multiply the product with the dot product. So this can also be written as na dot mb. So this follows the associative law. And finally dot product of mutual perpendicular vectors is 0. That means a dot b if a and b are perpendicular to each other is 0. Why? Because this is a vector and this is b vector. ये दोनों आपस में म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर हैं, दैट मींस द एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 90 डिग्री. सो दैट इफ द एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 90 डिग्री और हम इनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकाले दैट इज a डॉट b, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a into the magnitude of b times cos theta, and here the theta is 90 degree. तो अगर थीटा की वैल्यू 90 है सो cos 90 will become 0, so the whole product will become 0. So the scalar product of two mutually perpendicular vectors is 0. Next we can see the dot product of two parallel vectors is equal to the product of their magnitudes. अगर a और b दो parallel vectors हैं इस तरीके से, so we know the angle between two parallel vectors is 0. तो अब इनका if we find the dot product, that is a dot b, so that will be equal to ए वेक्टर इंटू बी वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड टाइम्स कॉस थीटा। इस वक्त थीटा की वैल्यू द एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 0 डिग्री, so if we put 0 degree cos 0 will become 1, so that is equal to the magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So that simply means A dot B of two parallel vectors is magnitude of both the vectors, the product of magnitude of both the vectors. Next is the dot product of two anti-parallel vectors is equal to the negative of the product of their magnitudes. Why? Because let us take an example. This is A vector, this is B vector. They are anti-parallel in opposite direction. So we know the angle between two anti-parallel vectors is 180 degree. So if we put theta equals 180 degree in the formula, what we'll get is A vector का magnitude times B vector का magnitude into cos theta. If we put theta equals 180, this will become cos 180 degree, and we know cos 180 degree is nothing but minus 1. So this will make it minus times A vector का magnitude into B vector का magnitude. So A dot B when A and B are anti-parallel is negative of their product of the magnitudes. अब हम सीखेंगे finding the dot product of two vectors when the vectors are given in the component form. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं we have a vector whose components are in the direction of x, that is ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Similarly, the components of b vector in I cap, j cap and z cap is bx I cap plus by j cap and bz k cap. So अब हमें पता करना है a dot b. So a dot b means that we will simply multiply the component, each component of a with every component of b. So a dot b can be written as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap dot, we'll take a dot with all the components of b, bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So अब if we find a dot b, that means ax I cap will be multiplied with the complete b vector, that is bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap plus ay j cap will be multiplied with all the components of b, that is bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap, and az k cap will be multiplied with all the components of b, that is bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. अब हम अगर नोटिस करें, so we will find that if we multiply ax I cap with bx I cap, then only we'll get ax bx and I dot I. I dot I means since I vector, this I vector and this I cap vector will be parallel to each other, and we know that the parallel vectors का dot product give us value 1. So I dot I, similarly j dot j and similarly k dot k will give us 1. So इस पूरे multiplication का आंसर आएगा ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Why? The reason is that I dot I means the magnitude is 1. So 1 into cos theta, or I dot I are parallel vectors, so theta will be 0. So this is also 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Similarly, j dot j will be 1. K dot k will be 1. And if we take the dot product between two perpendicular unit vectors like I dot j, j dot k and k dot I, these all will be 0 because the dot product of two perpendicular vectors is 0. तो जितने भी j k I j और k I के components होंगे they will be 0. The only components which will be left is the I component, the j component and the k component. So the dot product of a dot b can be written as ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. That means अगर दो वेक्टर हमारे पास given है and we need to find the dot product, so we'll simply multiply their x components plus their y components plus their z components. So to summarize, we can say कि A dot P is equal to the magnitude of A into magnitude of B and the cos of the smaller angle in between A vector and B vector, that is cos theta. तो अब अगर if we want to find the angle between the two vectors, the angle between the two vectors, so we can simply do is cos theta equals A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So cos theta is equal to A dot B, जैसा कि अभी हमने सीखा, in the component form is AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. That is the product of the A and B in X direction, the product of A and B in Y direction, and the product of the component of A and B in the Z direction, divided by magnitude of A that we have already studied. कि magnitude of A is under root AX square plus AY square plus AZ square, and magnitude of B is under root BX square plus BY square plus BZ square. So cos theta आ गया हमारे पास इस तरीके से. If we need to find the theta, so we will simply take the cos inverse of this complete expression. So we'll get the theta. Thank you. We'll soon meet in the next video.